Before you begin, remove the access panel and processor memory duct assembly. Removal. Press the blue retention tabs and open the levers on the adapter board to disengage it from the connector on the system board. Slide the adapter board out of the notches in the adapter board guide and remove the adapter board. Replacement. Align the notch in the adapter board with the key in the slot on the system board and slide the tabs on the adapter board into the guide slots on the adapter board guide. Carefully close the levers on the adapter board until they lock into position and the adapter board is fully seated.